it's me again, your host for Beauty and Food. So right now today we're at Batu Berendam located in Malacca, and what we're doing here is tasting this really special chicken called Ayam Pasu. So Ayam Pasu literally translates to chicken bass in English. So what exactly is a chicken bass? Oh, you're about to find out because we're gonna go and try it out. I'm gonna give it a try. I have 2 forks. But let's go. So, slightly burned on top, and I'm not sure if that's on purpose, so I'm gonna try it with that. Okay. I'm not a fan of the burnt top, but the inside is amazing. It's like it's burnt to crisp on the top, but on the inside is really moist, juicy, and tender. You know? Look what I mean. It breaks apart so easily. It's really good. I'm gonna try with the sauce, and I'll tell you. This sauce is a spicy sauce. I don't think it's a chili sauce, but I'm gonna give it a try and let you know what exactly it is. This sauce is actually sweet with a little bit of spice in it, and it goes really well together with the chicken. And this is, oh my god, I'm sorry. This is probably my favorite part. I'm gonna take a little bit from the juicy part. Oh my god, I'm spilling everything today. Let's try that again. This is a really small bite, but that will do. Alright, so I shall give my verdict. Overall, I think this is good. I'm not a big fan of the burnt skin. However, underneath that burnt reveals a really, really, really juicy chicken. The meat is great. The sauce goes well with everything. From my opinion, I'll give this a 7.5 or 8 out of 10. So if you're free, do check it out. It's not every day that you get to eat chicken cooked from a vase. So tune in next time for more beauty and food, and leave a like, comment, and follow our page if you like our content. See you!